Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to how to use all kind of spline. We'll learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now go to spline. Now just select here and here and here. And here select. Now this point control this point, control this point horizontal. Now this point control this point coincident. Just move here. Now give the dimension this point and this point dimension 100. This point and this point dimension 50. Select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay, just move here and here. Now this point and this point distance 100. Now this point and this point dimension 50. This point and this point dimension 50. Select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now there are highlights fully defined. Actually it is not a fully defined. You can check here. There are not a fully defined. Now again give the dimension here. This handle dimension 200. Okay, select. Now we just here draw the center line. Now select here and this line. Give the degree 15. Okay. Now this point fully defined. You need every point fully defined. Now just select here. Give the dimension 140. Now this line and this handle degree 135. Okay. Now again here give the dimension 100. Select. Now you can just here this handle horizontal. Okay. Now again here give the dimension 145. Now this handle and this line degree 45. Okay. Now again here 200. Now you can give here this handle and this line degree 10. Okay, select. Now there are fully defined. Now you cannot move any handle. Okay. Now just the highlights dimension. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now you can here use again Style Spline here and here and here. Select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 50 and this line dimension 50 and this line dimension 50 and this line dimension 50. No need. Now we can this point. Now this line dimension 50 and this line dimension 50. Okay. Now this line no need. Now this point and this point distance 300. Select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now they are fully defined. Okay. Now equation-driven curve use only 3D. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.